Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapunjani by Reddy Pulli Mandal.
Chairman Dhanse Karan. Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Sukumar from Ropes Organization. So today in our class, in 8th class, FA3 syllabus. In 8th class, for us, FA3 syllabus is, see, FA3 syllabus, first algebraic expressions and identities, and second one is mensuration, third one is exponents and powers. These three chapters for us FA3 in the 8th class. Okay, so this is the 9th chapter for us. In this 9th chapter, okay, FA3 syllabus, in this 9th chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. In this one, how to solve the problems. Okay, see, first we'll discuss about already in our previous classes, we discussed about what is a constant term, and what is a variable term, and what is an algebraic term, and what is algebraic expression, what is polynomial. So that's we discussed about the algebraic expressions introduction. We discussed about this one in 7th class. Now we will see how to solve the problems in the exercise 9.1. That's we will see here. Now see, all of you observe this clearly. First exercise 9.1. See what they given. First question, identify the terms and their coefficients in each of the following. See, first one, writing coefficients. Okay, see first one, in the first one we have to write, see, 5x y z square xy z square minus 3zy. For each term we have to write the coefficient. See, if I in this one, see, in 5xy z square, this is the first one, x y z square coefficient is equal to 5. In the same way, this one, minus 3zy, in minus 3zy, okay, zy coefficient is equal to minus 3. Like this we have to write. Okay, in the first Roman, totally they gave 6 questions. That's we have to write. Now fifth one in that. Fifth one, see, x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy they given. In this one, this we can write as Sinana. So here 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 into y minus 1 into xy. Like this we have to write first. So ఇలా రాసుకున్న తర్వాత first in 1 by 2 into x coefficient is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, in 1 by 2 into y coefficient is equal to 1 by 2. In minus 1 into xy coefficient is equal to minus 1. Like this we have to write. Okay, now this is the method how to write. And in this one, sixth one, see, 0.3a minus 0.6 AB and 0.5 B. 0.5 B they given 5B. In this one, see, in 0.3A, A coefficient is equal to 0.3. In 0.6 AB, AB coefficient is equal to 0.6. See, in minus, this is minus 0.6. In 0.5B, B coefficient is equal to 0.5. Like this we have to write. This is the first Roman. All is of questions in the exercise 9.1. Now, if you go to another one, if you go to second question, they are asking to classify the following polynomials as monomial, binomial, trinomial. See now, already we discussed about this one in the 7th class. See, here monomial means only one term, and binomial means two terms. See, monomial, one term, only one term. So by seeing only you can identify and you can write. And binomial means two terms. And trinomial means we know three terms. So by seeing only you can write. Okay, this is the second question. Classifying the monomial, binomial and trinomial. So by seeing only you can write this one. Okay, another one. And the third question is adding and subtracting. See, add the following algebraic terms. Okay, third one. In third one, see, adding. Add. So how to add the monomials, binomials and trinomials? That's we will see. Here first one I will do. See here. First they given, see, AB minus BC and plus direct solution plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. Now we have to add AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. See now, plus AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA. So all will get 0. Okay, so in this method we have to add all the algebraic expressions. Now see here, third one we'll see here, 4z minus here third one is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 plus 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. So we are adding this one. They are asked to add. See, now we have to write this one, 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 plus 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. See now, 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. So before that one, we have to add. See, 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. Now, 7pq minus 3pq plus 4pq minus 3p square q square plus 2p square q square means minus p square q square. This is the method how to add the given algebraic expressions. Okay now. So, this is the one. So, totally in the exercise 9.1, first question we discussed and the second question we discussed. Okay, second question discussed and third question totally how to add the algebraic expressions అనేది మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఓకేనా? సో if you like this one, please like and share this video and subscribe the video, and if you have any comments, please comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.